shot. As was my friend Fisher, actually. In the back. By his cleaner, of all people. But they didn't take much. Just a key.
Brake left to right, I think.
Thank you.
Пристрелил. In the trees. Come on. Oh my God.
He can't die. He mustn't die.
Let's get him out of here. Come on. Come on, buddy.
He's not looking good, sir. We're getting you to a doctor. You'll be fine. You do know how to fly these, sir?
It was part of basic training.
Good.
It's just like riding a bike. Yes, it's all coming back to me.
This is Helicopter Golf Hotel Zulu Zulu Tango. We have a casualty on board. Request guidance to nearest hospital. Our location?
She shot out the navigation system. Hang on. Runstock.
Our location is Runstock. What's our altitude? About 18 inches. Hello? Hello?
Sorry. I'll just move.
What now, sir?
We'll have to stick to the road. Let's follow the 1328. There's bound to be a hospital in Dingham. Look after him, Tucker. Look after him.
I think we're losing him, sir.
We can't lose him, Tucker. He's our only lead. Try something else.
Don't give up on us, baby. Lord knows we've come this far.
We are the angel and the dreamer. Da 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 da.
Don't give up on us, I know we can still come through.
Don't give up on us, baby. Don't give up on us, baby. We can still come through.
Look, sir, follow the ambulance.
Good idea.
Don't give up on us, baby.
Sir, quickly.
Can't let go. Can't let go. The second key.
Vortex is KGB.
Yes.
CIA.
Yes. Yes.
MI7.
vole in MI7?
A mole, sir.
What?
There's a mole in MI7.
There's a mole and a vole.
No, sir, there's a mole, not a vole.
Well, I disagree. There's certainly a vole. I mean, we know that much. But what you're saying is there might be a mole as well.
Pegasus. There's a meeting at MI7 with the Prime Minister.
Thank you for clicking on our video, everybody. If you like what you saw here, please make sure you like the video and subscribe and share with your friends who like this sort of content. JoBlo remains an independent company, and we appreciate all of your support.